In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Commerce and publish it correctly. We'll be walking through the full product creation flow inside the products area using Chrome, and I'll explain what each choice means so you can confidently set up either a physical product or a digital download. To begin, open Chrome and navigate to the Commerce section, then go into Products and access the Path Listings area. This is where your existing product entries are managed, and it's also where you'll create a new one. Once you're there, click Add Product to start a fresh listing. At this point, you'll need to choose the product type. You'll typically see the option for physical or digital. If you're adding a physical item, select Physical. Just keep in mind that physical products require shipping rules to already be set up, since the system needs that information to handle delivery properly. If you're creating a downloadable item instead, choose Digital. This option is designed for products that are delivered electronically, and the platform will automatically send file links after a successful payment. Next, enter the core product details. Start with a clear, item-specific title so customers immediately understand what the product is. Then add the description content. This is your chance to explain the product in a way that's helpful and easy to scan. Focus on accuracy and clarity, and make sure the wording matches what the buyer will actually receive. After that, add your image preview assets. Good visuals help customers recognize the product quickly and can improve trust, so use clean, relevant images that represent the listing well. If you're setting up a digital download, the next part is especially important. Upload the direct product delivery payload file. This is the file the customer will receive after completing payment, so double check that it's the correct version before moving on. It's a good habit to verify the file format and naming beforehand, so everything stays organized and the delivery experience is smooth. Once all of the required information is in place, click Save and Publish. This final step stores your product details and makes the listing available according to your platform's publishing behavior. Before clicking, it's always wise to quickly review the title, description, images, and product type one last time to avoid simple mistakes. That's it. You've now created and published a product listing, whether it's a physical item or a digital